pop, 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 and pop, pop, pop with Popplers. Come with me. Magic Box, what are we learning today? Wow! Farm animals! Let's go to the farm. Grab your Poppler and let's see all the animals. Wow! What animal is that right behind us? It's a cow! Good job! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the cow. Good job! Wow! What animal is that? It's a chicken! Good job! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the chicken. Wow! What animal is that? It's a mouse! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the mouse. Good job! Let's go find some more animals. Come with me! Let's play a game. You have to be very quiet and listen to what sound you hear when we open the barn doors. Are you ready? Okay. What sound did you hear? What animal makes that sound? A cat! Yay! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the cat. Let's open the barn door again. What sound do you hear? Yes, it's a pig. Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the pig. Good job! Let's open the barn door one more time. Ready? What sound do you hear? What animal makes that sound? It's a horse! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the horse. Are you ready to play another game with me? It's called What Comes Next. Are you ready? Okay. Dog, sheep. Dog, sheep. Dog, sheep. What comes after that? Dog! You are right! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the dog. Good job! Let's try another one. Are you ready? Horse, duck, horse, duck, horse. What comes next? Yes, it's a duck. Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the duck. Good job! Let's play one more game. Are you ready? Okay, what's that noise coming from the barn? Shh, listen. Do you hear that? What animal makes that sound? Yay! It's a sheep! Good job! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the sheep. Good job! Great job! We learned all our farm animals. Look at your Poppler. You should have all your animals popped down. That means you won! Good job! Let's say all the animals together. Are you ready? Horse, dog, cat, chicken, cow, sheep, mouse, pig, and duck. Good job! job! You learned all your animals. Bye-bye, friends! Remember, you are kind, you are smart, and you are loved. See you next time! Hello, friends! Today we are going to hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop with Popplers! Today, we are going on a scavenger hunt to find yummy and healthy food in the house. Are you ready? Come with me! Let's start trying to find some foods. Let's see what's in the fridge. It's an apple! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the apple. Now, let's see what's on the table. Do you know what that is? It's a strawberry! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the strawberry. Now, let's go see what's in the bowl. What is it? It's a banana! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the banana. Good job! Let's go in the dining room and see what we can find in there. Come with me! Whoa! Look what's on the plate. It's green and it looks like a mini tree. What is it? It's broccoli. My favorite. Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop broccoli. Now look what else is on the table. It's orange and it's a drink. What could it be? It's orange juice! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the orange juice. Good job! Look! I see another drink on the table. It's white. What do you think it could be? It's milk! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the milk. Good job! We need to still find some more food. Where could we look? Tuffy the dog always steals food from the kitchen. Let's go see what he has in his doghouse. Come with me! Look! I was right. Tuffy the dog did steal some food. He took 2 vegetables. One is orange and one is yellow. Do you know what these vegetables are? What is the orange vegetable called? It's a carrot! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the carrot. Well done! Now, what is the yellow vegetable called? I love having this with some butter and salt. It's my favorite. What is it called? Yes, it's corn. Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the corn. Good job. Look, we only need to find one more bubble to pop on our Poppler. Let's see. I'm really thirsty. And look what's on the table. It's water. Good job. That's the last bubble. Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the water. Well done. Yay! We've learned all our fruits, vegetables, and drinks. If you look at your Poppler, you should see all your bubbles are popped down. Yay! You won! Now, let's say all the words together. Are you ready? Apple, strawberry, banana, orange juice, milk, water, carrots, broccoli, Corn. Good job! You learned all your fruits, vegetables, and drinks. Okay, bye-bye, friends. Remember, you are kind, you are smart, and you are loved. See you next time.